Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear recycle bin on Samsung. First thing here is you open up your files here, tap on it, tap on the three lines in the top left corner, tap on bin, tap on all items, and then tap on delete. Confirm what can happen on delete again. Now you deleted all your recycle bin on that contains your deleted files. You've emptied out the recycle bin. The next thing you're going to do is go to contact, tap on the three dots at the top left corner, tap on settings, tap on other core settings. Sorry, let's go back. Looking for the recycle bin. Tap on contacts, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on recycle bin. So if there was any content here, you deleted it. So that's it. That is how to empty recycle bin on Samsung.